What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. We're going to do a review today on the SuperPro rear adjustable toe arm. Let's just get right into it. I'll say there we got the rear adjustable toe arms by SuperPro. As you can see, you got the adjuster here in the middle, in and out. It's a pretty beefy setup. I honestly didn't really need these. I went ahead and upgraded them anyway because I was doing the coilovers. Did the rear control arms, and the toe arms were part of a kit, so I bought them. But after I got them, you know, they are a very nice part. The only issue that I have, and it could just be me, but the factory brake line on the factory toe arm has a bolt that holds it. As you can see, I had to zip tie it because there is no factory, or there's no mounting point for the brake line bracket. And I don't know if that's just the way it's designed or what, but if anybody has any better idea of how that is supposed to be than myself, please leave me a comment. I've actually got the factory toe arm right here. As you can see, right there's the factory mounting point for the brake line. But you can see how thin this is compared to the SuperPro. It's just a lot beefier unit. The way I understood it was just by upgrading this to the stiffer unit, of course it makes the suspension a little bit tighter in the rear, and then you get the toe adjustment. I run zero toe, so it's not really a big deal for me, but just overall a better piece, longer lasting piece. I don't really have any cons about it outside of that bracket, but I just went ahead and zip tied it up there, and it's been like that for about 2,500 miles or so now, so no issues. My zip ties are still holding tight. That's just so you can get a good idea of the SuperPro toe arm versus the OEM. Of course, you got the rubber bushing inside there. That's a poly bushing. Again, no squeak issues. Just keep it greased. If you found any of this info helpful, please leave a like, comment, or subscribe. Thank you for watching.